block or disable screenshots on WhatsApp. If you are looking for activating or enhancing more security on WhatsApp, then this video tutorial is for you. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to disable or block in screenshot to enhance more securities on WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log in and update your application, which is must. Then you need to open any chats where you want to send any media. So let's select on the pin icon at the bottom right corner, or you can also tap on the camera icon and then you can take any photo or video that you want to send on this chat. So once you have selected the media, you can easily customize using SD, stickers, text and many more. Then after that, select the one button or one number that says disappearing, or that is the view once icon, which is next to add a caption. So let's select it and the video has said to view once. Once you have done that, select the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, the view once video has already been seen, and then this will not allow the other user to take a screenshot. So that's how we easily block or disable screenshots on WhatsApp.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.